What's the meaning of atomic? Atomic. Atomic.
Atomic. Atomic. The term atomic can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to something that is indivisible or cannot be divided into smaller units. In physics, atomic refers to the structure and behavior of atoms, the smallest unit of a chemical element. In computer science, atomic refers to an operation that is indivisible and cannot be interrupted, ensuring consistency in data processing. In popular culture, atomic is often associated with nuclear energy or atomic bombs. Overall, the concept of atomicity implies a level of integrity and stability.